Is it possible for the Bitcoin to retest $72,000 again in the upcoming days or weeks? That's the main question. How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Not financial advice like always. Please watch this video till the end, because in this video we're gonna discuss about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some few altcoins. And let's just straight to the Bitcoin charts. I posted this on my trading channel, and if you're not in my trading group, there's a link down below. It's absolutely free. Go check it out. Go join it. It costs you absolutely nothing, so enjoy. And let's just start talking about Bitcoin. I want to get back where we started, if you remember my previous video. After the Bitcoin formed this massive falling wedge pattern, of course, if we're paying more attention on this descending trend line, after this descending trend line was broken, or the pattern was broken to the upside, Bitcoin increased by 14%, around 14%, something like that. And right now, what do we see on the Bitcoin? That it formed this beautiful ascending trend line that was respected like 3 times, 1, 2, 3. And remember, the more touches we have, the more confirmation we have. That is why I'm expecting there's a probability right now to see a drawdown by 5 or 6% to retest this trend line again. And look how beautifully this support, or let's just say previous resistance, is respected and connected with this trend line. That's what I'm expecting. The Bitcoin looks better. Just bear with me. The Ethereum Bitcoin looks better than Ethereum at this moment. But of course, let's just take a look at the past let's just see how it works. Boom, beautiful trend line, 1, 2, 3, 4, like multiple touches. And after this breakdown or a breakout to the downside, boom, massive drawdown. But of course, I want this trend line be respected, and now it acts like a support. And for me to open better risk-reward ratio worth of buy long position, I'm looking at this level. So there's a probability to experience from 5 to 6% let's just say pullback. So it's very healthy. We have plenty of room. If this trend line I believe this trend line is valid, but we'll see. And it has to hold for us, like, not to experience a bigger drawdown, for like, let's just say, to retest the whole support box of mine that boom, from 10%. So what could happen to majority of the altcoins, you know? So I'm still bullish on this setup. I mean, waiting for the retest, boom, movement to the upside. And of course, remember, guys, this is nothing new. I mean, multiple rejections from here. If you want to see the Bitcoin at 80, 90, $100,000, we have to beat this resistance. This is nothing new. If you're following me on YouTube, this is nothing new. I haven't seen nothing new. So we're looking at this. The Bitcoin's inside this range for how long? Like, what, 2-3 months, or maybe even longer? So it's a little bit boring. It's summertime, so it has to be boring. There's not enough volume in the market, but we'll see. Maybe we're gonna see some kind of crazy movements in the crypto market. So I'm expecting, boom, a pullback like this. This is my prediction on the Bitcoin right now. No predictions, only probabilities. So according to the previous trend line, ascending trend line, now I'm looking at the same trend line right now. Let's jump to Ethereum. I'm trying to, let's just say, avoid Ethereum, because Bitcoin, like I mentioned you before, looks better, cleaner to me. And right now Ethereum is formed this, let's just say it's a flag, or if you zoom in on the lower time frame, it's like a ascending channel that it's about to break, or it's like gonna bounce back up and going towards the upside inside this channel. But for Ethereum, I mean, for me to be Ethereum on Ethereum to be way more like cleaner or bullish to make my decision, I want to see the same situation as on Bitcoin, because that trend line looks way more beautiful than right now on Ethereum. But I need more information here because I'm analyzing everything on the daily time frame. And remember, all the juices are on the bigger time frames. So right now the money flow on Ethereum it is about to break to the downside from this channel probably, and I see that boom, the money flow is still going down, so maybe Ethereum can form something like this for me to, I don't know, boom, a breakout. But I don't believe that Ethereum will drop hard like this. This is only a probability. And of course, if you want to see Ethereum, I don't know, fly moving to the upside like crazy, we have to beat this supply resistance zone. Because if we're looking at from the swing, it's not like swing, but swing high from swing low, now Ethereum is inside this golden zone. That is, I could say it's respected, but of course the bigger resistance we have on this, let's just say it's a Fibonacci discounted zone, so from 71 to 88.6. But right now, you know, I like golden zones, so we're rejecting from this golden zone, and Ethereum is ready to move to the downside. But I'm still trying to read according to trend lines. I want to see this trend line be respected, more touches. I want to see more touches on this trend line, like I mean, as on Bitcoin. Boom. So keep an eye on these setups. I mean, especially on the Bitcoin. Bitcoin looks way more cleaner than Ethereum right now. And please click that like and subscribe button, because the next video is going to be a long one. We're going to talk about like probably 20 or even more altcoins. Let's just jump into let's just jump into OP right now, right? Let's just take a look on the bigger time frame. Let's just go on 2 days. Yeah. All right. Every single altcoin, I mean the majority altcoins, I discussed this in a previous video, the majority of the altcoins are at their very bottom, or they're forming something bullish, like a falling wedges or descending channels that are about to break, or they're like very near a breakout, pre-breakout, let's just say that. All right, the money flow is from the red trying to flip to a white again, or a green, depends on your, I don't know, on your design, what you're customized. But the majority of the altcoins are bullish in my eyes. And in the next video, we're gonna discuss about the setups like this. So click that subscribe button, I mean click that notification bell, don't be left behind, because it's gonna be a long one. It's gonna be awesome video. So, and it takes time to make this video, so probably I'm gonna drop it tomorrow. Yeah, I'm gonna drop that video tomorrow. But let's just discuss like quickly about these type of setups. So like OP, one of the altcoins, I mean the full name, I don't know, go on the coin market cap and see how to pronounce correctly. So inside this beautiful massive ascending channel, the price climbing towards the upside, and every single altcoin, like I mentioned before, formed setups like this. So I'm super bullish. I'm waiting for the clean breakouts, boom, movement to the upside. Of course, this is just an example, and we're gonna talk about these examples in my next video. We're gonna try to discuss and answer the question, is it possible for the altcoins to reach their all-time highs ever again? And if it's not, and if we're invested in these type of projects, where we need to take our profits, where should we take our profits, right? Because I have this theory that some of the altcoins will never reach their all-time highs ever again, but for us to be more, I mean, for me personally, to be more safe and secure my gains, I'm just gonna try to discuss at what point, at what levels, I'm definitely 100% gonna close my spot position on some altcoins. And we have a lot of altcoins that we have to discuss. Personally, that I'm invested, and yeah. So be ready for my next video. that's gonna be awesome. I mean, it's gonna be a wild video talking about 20 of altcoins that I'm gonna try to do my best. So back to Bitcoin. Remember, waiting for the pullback. Of course, if you zoom in, like on a lower time frame, I posted this on my Instagram that let me just zoom in, that on the lower time frame there was from this low to the top, there's a probability to I don't know, for a quick long buy position, but look how beautifully respected this golden zone. I like golden zones. Love it. Actually, it represents support or a strong resistance. Depends from where you're drawing, from the top or from the low, from the swing top or swing to low. So yeah, Bitcoin waiting for the pullback. Probability to see a pullback, and Ethereum is about to break this channel. So, but for me to open a short position, I don't want to do that, because if you're bullish, I don't want to open some any short positions right now. I'm just only looking for probabilities. Where is the best place to open a long buy position? So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. If you're not in my trading group, link down below again. Go check it out. I mean, I'm posting twice, maybe 3 times a day. All the trading ideas, all the trading calls. It's absolutely free, but there's a catch. All the trading ideas and trading calls will be deleted in 24 hours. But you always can download all my, I don't know, analysis, share with the friends. And yeah, I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye-bye.